Hi, what's up? I'm Fat Papa. Do you make the decision what dessert you make for the Christmas? If not, let me show you this fruit pizza. Let us begin. As you can see, this time only 5 ingredients. It's pretty easy. You can homemake delicious dessert for your Christmas and it look nice and tastes good. So first you will need to find the sugar cookies. You can buy in most of the grocery store for that. Then you need to pre-cut all the fruit. Like you can slice it into small pieces, so later on you put it decorate on your pizza, it will look nice. You can put any kind you want. If like you can find the mango, you can put mango. Like for us, we put the pineapple, strawberry, kiwi, and then like the blueberry, and we just can do any creation you want and anything you like. First, we need to preheat the oven to 375 for later on. Because this is a really quick homemade dessert, so you will see first you preheat the oven, then you prepare the fruit, and then you just make the sugar cookie to the shape you want. You can do any kind of shape, the circle, square, rectangle, any type of shape you feel is good like for you to make this dessert. For me, I choose the square one, just like the pizza. You can call it the fruit tart or fruit pizza, because we make the circle one, and we later on after it's done we will cut it in slice, look like the pizza, and my son like it, so we will do it. So before you roll it to the shape you want, put a piece of the plastic food wrap on top, like to roll it, otherwise it will stick together. And then you make it to the even level, so it won't be like one side is like thicker and the other side is thinner. So make sure all of them is perfect balance, and then you can make the shape you want. And after that, we will need to put in the oven for about 12 minutes to cook that. And in between, you already can do the middle, the cream cheese sauce. So as you can see, we be carefully to make it all balanced, so each side is equal. The main reason is that if you put in the oven, if one side is thicker, one side is thinner, then after 12 minutes, probably maybe one side is not done, the other side may be overcooked. So you don't want it. You want it to be balanced evenly, like to put in the oven. So then we wait for the heater to the oven to preheat, and then let me show you how to make the sauce in between the food and then the cookie. So it's like you just put 1 pack of the egg ounce, the cream cheese in. It's like need to be softened. That means like in my other video for the dessert, you just put in the room temperature for about an hour or so, make it soften, or you can remove the package and then put in the microwave for 15 seconds, and probably you will done. But I would say to put it in room temperature for an hour, it will be better. After that, you put half of the teaspoon vanilla extract in there, then 1/4 of cup the sugar in, and then you can mix all those together. And after you mix it, you just put on the side. Don't put it back to refrigerator, just put on the side, let it stay in the room temperature. And then when you wait for the base, the cookie to bake, just put it on the side, wait for it. Now the oven is at the 375 degree. Then we put the cookie in, and you can see like the cream cheese sauce is like that and sweet. It's like kind of like icing after you mix it. And then the taste is like that. And then now you put the cookie in the oven for 12 minutes. And then after that you can put the cream cheese sauce icing on. Then you can put all the food. Okay, now the base, the cookie is done, and then we can put on the icing on in between. So you just put a layer, and then the ingredient I gave you is perfectly to fit in that without any problem. I feel like the whole pizza can be equally to put in that icing. And I won't put too much or more because the cookie already is sweet. And then you put this, so the fruit, it doesn't really matter they are sweet or they are a little bit sour, because the base is already sweet enough. Now we choose you can make any creation you want or any design. Or you can ask any way you want is fine. Just put more colorful or different color. Don't be all red color raspberry plus strawberry, and then just make it colorful. You can have anything, any kind of food you want. The only fruit I think you cannot really put is lemon. Besides that, I think any kind of fruit you'll be fine. Blackberry probably may not be that good. The texture, all about is the texture when you eat together. It's nothing. If you feel you like it, fine. You can just put it, and then we just put all the fruit our kids like the kiwi, strawberry, blueberry, pineapple. Just put the fruit your kid like or your family like, or you think it will make it look nice. You can just put any fruit you want. It doesn't matter. Just remember to cut it smaller or slice, or like the pineapple, we cut it to small pieces. So when you put it in, it will look nice. Like blueberry, you can put the whole blueberry in there, is fine. As you can see now. It's almost done, and you can put all the way to the side, and we are not doing that because we need to have a little bit place to hold it for our kid. And now it's done. You have an easy and good taste fruit pizza dessert for your family on Christmas. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I will hope to see you next Sunday for another Christmas or holiday dessert. Thank you. Bye.